Ever wondered how people are making full-time incomes without leaving their house? Whether you are a student, parent, or just tired of grind, then this video is your roadmap to making real money from home. In 2025, no fluff, no scam, just real actionable methods that actually work. Let's go into it. There are so many ways to earn money from home these days, but it can be overwhelming to figure out where to start. Don't worry, I've broken it down into 5 practical ways that you can start today. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is great because you can set your own hours and choose the projects you want to work on. The best part? You don't need a huge upfront investment, just your skills, an internet connection, and your laptop. This is hands down one of the fastest ways to start making money online. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, video editing, or even coding, you can start today. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are gold mines. Here's how you start. First, identify your skill. Here are examples to find your skills. If you have a knack for writing, your freelancing skill could be content writing, copywriting, or blogging. If you're good at graphic design, your skill could be logo creation, branding, or web design. If you're skilled in languages, your freelancing skill might be translation or transcription services. 2. Learn and master it. Take online courses from platforms like Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare. You can take beginner courses to understand the basics before diving deeper. 3. Start bidding or publishing gigs. Bidding means applying for jobs that clients post. You bid by sending a proposal that includes a short pitch introduction, what you can do for them, how long it'll take, how much you'll charge. You can start earning $100 to $100 plus per gig, and once you build a good reputation, you can scale it to a full-time income. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where an individual earns a commission by promoting another person's or company's products or services. The affiliate shares a unique tracking link to the product, and whenever someone clicks that link and makes a purchase or signing up, the affiliate earns a percentage of the sale. It's super powerful because you don't need to create your own product. Here's how to get started. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Impact. Choose a niche like fitness, tech, beauty, or finance. Create content, a blog, TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube videos, and include your affiliate link. Example, promote a camera on YouTube, someone buys it. You earn 4% to 50% commission depending on the product. With effort and strategy, people are making $100 to even $10,000 plus per month through affiliate marketing. 3. Print on demand. Want to start a clothing or merch brand with $0? This is for you. Print on demand is an e-commerce business model where you create and sell custom design products like t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, posters, phone cases, without holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, the product is printed, packaged, and shipped by a third-party supplier, only after the order is made. This means you don't pay anything upfront for products or storage, and you only pay when you make a sale. Here's how it works. You design graphics or quotes for t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, then upload them to platforms like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring. Then when someone orders, the company prints and ships the product, and you get a cut. You don't hold inventory. You don't touch the product. Profit margins are usually around 20 to 30%, and with viral designs, you could make thousands per month. 4th, content creation. Content creation is the process of planning, producing, and sharing digital content such as videos, blogs, social media posts, podcasts, graphics, and more, with the goal of entertaining, educating, inspiring, or informing an audience. Content can be published on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, blogs, podcasts, websites, and more, and is often used to build an audience, promote a brand, or generate income through advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or product sales. Here's how to start content creation. Step 1. Pick your niche. Focus on one topic or category that you're passionate about or have knowledge in. This helps attract the right audience. Topics like personal finance or making money online, fitness and wellness, tech and gadgets. Pick something you can talk about for hours and provide value in. Step 2. Choose your platform. Start with one main platform. Choose based on your comfort and content style platforms like YouTube, Instagram. Step 3. Plan your content. Start with simple ideas related to your niche. Create a content calendar and aim to post consistently. Even 1 to 2 times per week is a great start. Step 5. Publish and promote. Don't be shy. Hit upload and share your content. Use trending hashtags. Engage with comments. 5th, selling digital products. Selling digital products is the process of creating and offering downloadable or access-based items online, such as ebooks, online courses, templates, music, graphics, software, or presets that customers can purchase and receive instantly without shipping any physical item. Digital products are infinitely scalable, meaning you create them once and sell them over and over again with little to no extra cost. Here are some ideas: ebooks, Notion templates, online courses, printable planners, or journals. Use platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip to sell them. For example, you can make a Canva planner, upload it to Gumroad, and charge $5 to $15 per download. Sell just 10 a day and you're looking at an extra $150 a day. Focus on solving a problem with your product and make your design clean and professional. And there you have it. 5 real ways you can start making money online in 2025. Whether you're into freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, print on demand, or content creation, the key is to just start. You don't need a fancy setup or thousands of followers. What you need is consistency, creativity, and the willingness to learn. So tell me in the comments, which one are you going to try first? If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, so you never miss more money-making tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.